want to do 5 points, but I also want to take Riley to the Dr. King Center. And so I don't think this is a Dr. King Center. I feel like this is like just 5 points and some shopping. This is not like the King Center. Were any of these outfits a King Center?
Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never ran, said no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
Good morning, my darlings, and welcome to another video. Different backdrop because I'm in a different city. I'm actually visiting my best friend in Atlanta. For those of you who do not know, and I don't think I fully explained this story, Atlanta was my first home away from home, my first big girl job. This is where I did the Macy's executive training program for Rich's Lazarus Goldsmiths, which of course now is Macy's South, or back then it became Macy's South and then just Macy's. So I lived in Atlanta for 4 years. This is where I got into a lot of trouble. But that being said, I wanted to do a video because I didn't do a pack with me video, which is what I wanted to do, and show you, or what I intended to do rather, and show you how I go about putting together looks for travel. And so as I'm getting ready for the day, I'm like, you know what, I could do an unpack with me video and just give you some hindsight or some information on how I go about packing for a trip. So let's start at the very beginning, your airport outfit. So for me, actually no, let's go back to the beginning. Before I go on a trip, I decide on what colors are going to be a part of that trip because I overpack. I've tried to underpack. I've tried to do a carry-on. That's just not my grace. I love to play dress up. I love to dress up, and I don't know how I'm going to feel until I get to that place. And so I always overpack. It is what it is. So I decided for this trip, really and truly, I built the trip around this bag because I knew I wanted to carry my Field 40 Coach signature tote. I'd been so excited to get this. You guys have gotten it as well, some of you. And I knew that this was going to be my airport, my airport look. And if we were going to do any day trips, I knew that this was going to be the bag that I was taking. So I decided on denim, tan, and then a little sprinkle of color. So that being said, I have on this white blouse. This is thrifted. I apologize, full disclosure. I decided to do this video and I'm like, wait, I have to show them my airport outfit. Well, of course, this is dirty. So I took it out of the dirty pile in my suitcase. So if it's a little crinkled, and listen, show me some grace, okay? I'm just trying to educate folks, all right? I'm trying to do my best. But that being said, this is the white top tour that I got from whatever thrift store, red, white, and blue, one of them. I don't know, World Thrift, I think. And I paired it with my bootleg pants, bootleg jeans that I got from, where'd I get it from? I got it from Hot Bins. It's okay. Sorry, Riley dropped my suitcase. Okay. So Hot Bins is a place, it's like a Goodwill bins, but just with Amazon returns. And so I picked these jeans up there. They're like no-name Amazon bell bottoms, and so I will definitely try and find the originators if I can find them on Amazon. And so again, I built the look around this bag because I knew that I wanted to carry this bag specifically. This is going to be my summer travel bag. I do have this bag in camo and in cream, which goes specifically with my suitcase, but I really wanted to wear this bag. And so this was my airport look. For me, it's really important to have a good airport look because a lot of times I like to get the most out of my day. So whether I'm traveling internationally or to go see my friends, I like to have an outfit that I can like hit the ground running. And so for me, I carry this, put this on together with my not animal print, they're like faux snake cohons. I'll show them to you in a minute. Oh no, they're downstairs. I'll show them to you. And yeah, I was good to go. So let's get into the next piece of my wardrobe, my travel wardrobe. All right, my darlings. So another reason I wore this shirt specifically, which is why I probably need to wash it. Another thing is, if you are traveling to, like I said, I'm here to see my best friend, or you're going somewhere where you're going to have access to a washer and dryer, that makes life so much easier, right? Because you can take something like this, which again, I need to just wash it, and you can wear it multiple times on your trip, right? So if you're staying at an Airbnb, and again, you have access to laundry services. Anyway, excuse me. The white shirt I wanted to wear, or had an idea that I could wear it with my paper bag shorts from Avon Viv Target. I got this 2 summers ago. No, 2 summers ago. And so I haven't worn them yet because I think I got them for Rome, and then they said Rome was going to be in the 50s, and I was like, okay, so I can't do those shorts. So I've had them ever since, and I wear them with like tank tops. But yeah, this is just another like comfy casual. I'm really about being casual. not here to run up and down these streets like I did way back in my 20s. I'm here to be a tourist. So I knew that I wanted like a tourist vibe. So again, I brought this with the intention that if it, got dirty or whatever, I could rewash it and I could wash it and wear it again. But my intent was to actually wear it with this next top. All right, so this was how, in my brain, how I intended to wear it. Again, if I was in the mood, not needed, because again, you get somewhere and you're just like, oh, I don't feel like wearing that. I could have switched out and just worn the white, the white blouse. But in my brain, this is how I was gonna put it together. And so this is a top. I recently got this like Thursday from Target. This is Ava and Viv. The shorts again from Target. And so for me, I really wanted to try out like an acid wash denim, or I didn't want to say really. What happened was I was inspired by this and was just like, wait, I have those acid wash black or gray shorts. So let me see if I can kind of put them together. So this was really like just an experiment in my head. I just wanted to try it out and I really like it. So I'm going to experiment with it more in the coming months. But that being said, I also wanted to wear my new bag. And so I didn't just want to wear a black bag or like a tan bag. I wanted to bring a pop of color, and my apologies, my shoes are downstairs because we don't track shoes through the house. And so I paired it with my chain Stella McCartney sandals. But yeah, I just wanted this pop of color, and again, it's all about experimentation. That's why I wish I could, like I said, I have tried to not overpack, and I get places and I'm frustrated because I'm like, that's not what I want to wear. So yes, so let me give you another look with this top and another explanation for how I shop. You're gonna love this tip. Okay, so I have been showing you guys in the community all the sales that can be found for linen pants. Old Navy had a sale, Eloquii, Walmart, and I live by linen pants in the summer months. I live in South Florida, so it's not really the summer months, but there is nothing more simple than a blouse tied at the waist with a pair of wide leg linen pants. If this is all you pack for your summer travels, you will be right as rain. You just have to have a fabulous statement bag to go with it, right? So just showing you another way that I could have, if I feel like it, styled this denim top. I just paired it with a pair of, this is actually cream. I don't know if it's coming off as white in the camera, but it's actually a cream pair of wide leg pants. I have them in every color. I just ordered them in blue, and I'm gonna go to Macy's again because they had some pink ones. I'm like, okay, so I'm just gonna have them all. But I love it. It's so simple. It's so easy. A moment of transparency and clarity. If you are going through mental health issues or going through grief, as I am currently still going through, but you still want to show up, you still want to look your best and feel your best, listen, I believe in a uniform. And so if wide leg linen pants and a top is going to do it and have me out here looking cute and feeling like myself again, if this is what I can muster, this is what I can muster. So just transparency for those of you who are just like, oh, I just don't have the energy to get dressed. Get you some linen pants, sis, and some blouses tied at the waist with a cute bag and a cute pair of sandals, and you're good to go. All right? All right. All right, so this is actually what I will be wearing today. I don't know. I'm thinking about it. Because after I put on the denim shirt, I'm like, I can wash that and put it back on. This is a crochet top, Nina Parker from Macy's, still in stores because I got this about 2-3 weeks ago. I'll leave the Macy's video. They had a really cute pair of matching pants, but it wasn't cute on me. But I really love the top. And I loved it for this, is that I could wear it with some wide leg linen pants in cream or in brown or some chambray ones, and it just looks easy breezy. And again, keeping with the colors, I could just pair it with something like this with a pop of color, or use my star bag again. And the thing about the star bag though is that you have to really pack it out, at least in this one, for it to look not lumpy. Love it nevertheless because I love the shape of it. But anyway, this is what I'm thinking about wearing today. All right, my darlings, so we have the same crop, the Nina Parker crop, and we have these Amazon shorts. Oh my gosh, you guys know how I love a flare short. I actually have the denim flare shorts that I brought again to wear, and those are from Shopsider, to wear with my white blouse or something. Anyway, this is totally inspired by Christina Malaya on Instagram. She has amazing style, and when I saw these shorts on her, I was like, oh, this is South Florida. Listen, I'm not trying to act like I'm from somewhere that I'm not, okay? If it's short and breathable and can withstand humidity, I'm for it. And so I saw these on her and I was like, oh, absolutely. So I got it in this color and then I got it in the cranberry color. But again, denim, neutrals, and then a sprinkle of color. And so again, I thought I could wear either this, and I actually have my Cassie denim, but I haven't pulled at that one yet. So I don't know if I'm gonna wear it this trip. Again, it could go with this bag or it could go with my Stod bag. I'm not gonna wear this today because I feel like we're gonna be in the streets at least twice while I'm here, and not after 7. Okay, I'm talking about the brunch streets. Listen, the Atlanta of today is not the Atlanta of 2001 to 2005. Okay, when Buckhead was Buckhead. So I'm not trying to be out in those streets, but definitely for a brunch, I thought that this would be cute, and so I'm gonna hold this until later on the week when we go out for a cute little sexy Atlanta brunch or lunch. All right, my darlings, let's give you another outfit inspo. Okay, so in Christina's Instagram post, she created a full neutral look, and I was like, yes. And so I've had this, oh gosh, this one from Fashion Nova, this bodysuit from Fashion Nova for about 3 or 4 years. And again, I got them in every color because when all else fails, like I'm gonna put this on with the linen pants. Listen, it needs to all go together. So again, neutrals, I probably wouldn't go here because I have on the brown, so I would keep it full monochromatic and wear the Stod bag. And I have my J.W. Anderson sandals that are tan as well, but I love the way she styled it. Listen, this is why we have Instagram and Pinterest, to be inspired. So find your favorite find your favorite influencer, content creator that has style that you admire. And that's why they put their stuff on Pinterest. That's why I put my stuff on Pinterest. Are you following me on Pinterest? Because I want to inspire. I want to show you guys my interpretation of style. And so, yeah, take it, revamp it, renew it, remix it, make it your own. So thanks to Christina, because this was totally inspired by her look and the way she put it together. So I love it. And again, I love this. Listen, about to jaw out the door. Okay, it's a bodysuit, but I didn't feel like snapping it. So I just wanted to show you, same bodysuit, linen pants. Riley's watching her iPad. Bodysuit, linen pants, and we have another look. So if you're that person who just wants to pack, 3 and 3, I know there's so many different methods for capsule collections, but 3 and 3 is a good vacation one. Listen, you got it right here. Same bodysuit, linen pants, same bag, and you have a totally different look, a totally different feel. So, yep, this is another way that I could wear the bodysuit and the linen pants. Okay, so when I joke about my friends wanting like Dion of 2001, 2003 to come back, this is who they're trying to have come out with my tatas out the door.
Nice outfit.
Thank you, baby.
Mama.
Thank you, boo. Oh, it's Riley approved. I think I may do an outfit with Riley and see if what's Riley approved. Okay, thank you. Riley likes it. So the only thing is, because are we doing 5 points today? I want to do 5 points, but I also want to take Riley to the Dr. King Center. And so I don't think this is a Dr. King Center. I feel like this is just 5 points and some shopping. This is not like the King Center. But were any of these outfits a King Center? Not the crop top. That wasn't a King Center. I think if I buttons, I don't know. I don't want to disrespect Dr. King. Color, that's what we want to talk about today. So yes, this is the pop of color. I also have the red dress that I got from Burlington that you saw in a short, so I brought that as well. I don't know if I'm going to wear it, but yeah, pop of color, same shorts, the denim bag. Now this denim bag, I brought my let me show you, hold on, I keep on saying what I brought. These are actually my suitcase, they're not downstairs, hold on. Okay, so I have the bag and the shoes. So my shoots, comfortable sandals, the denim, Cassie 19. I feel like I should have brought my gold sandals, again, overpacking, but I feel like that would have been better for what I want to do. This is not bad by any measure. I just feel like that may have been cute. We're going back to Macy's though, so I may find something. Like the clearance last act is buy 3, get 25 off, something like that. And the shoes were shoeing. So yeah, this may be, I don't know. I don't think I'm wearing this at the King Center, but I'll definitely be wearing this sometime this week. Anyway, my guys. Anyway, my darlings, who could be guys. Thank you guys for watching. Again, I had packed and I wanted to do a pack with me. And then I had time today, so I'm like, oh, let me do an unpack with me video just to show you the thoughts behind how I pack and how I put outfits together when I'm on vacation. All right, my darlings, more Atlanta content coming to you soon. Depending on what I see at Little 5 Points of what's going on in Atlanta, I'm definitely going to bring you guys along. All right, my darlings, have a wonderful day, and I will see you very, very soon. Mwah. Bye.
Go, go.